You're looking to divide a room up, easy to assemble, pull down and easy to remove or change over to a different area. This may be something that you're looking for in your current needs. And we're going to demonstrate, show you what it's about. From Jilron store, no tools required. It's 4 different types of curtains. This one is black. It hangs up from 35 to a 100-inch width, from 43 to 120-inch height. And what we're going to do is show you how to install and what it divides. It has a weight limit of up to 45 pounds. It comes nicely packaged, as you can see. The packaging divides up the poles, saying these are the horizontal poles that hang straight up and down. You have a package of a bungee cord type magnetic. You have the couplers, the feet with plastic rubberized pads, the ring set up with the little holes, big holes, metal clips, magnetic pieces, the vertical poles, 2 packs, the fabricated curtain folded up, and the instruction guide, how to install and assemble. For the correct names, we have spring adjustments, perforated adjustment levers, middle connectings, and more laid out and showing you how to install. Everything's all laid out. Just want to show you how nicely everything is packaged and protected in plastic, each vertical and horizontal pole. So what we're going to go do now is set up and put this up and divide a room. Installing the vertical rods, we're going to be using 8, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to put parts together. This is part number 8. This is part number 7. This is pole number 1. Putting on the coupler over and loosening up. Slipping on and securing down. Leave this loose. Then number 8, slide on, press down firmly. This will spin. Hole number 2, join together with the clip, snap into place. Pole number 3, they screw on. And continue your pole number 3s till you hit your desired height. We have a shorter pole, number 5, that adds on. And we have here's the number 8 caps that these do separate and slide back on. As we lock down and ready to place up in our divided area for our height. Placing the pole on is tilting to the side with the spring load. Pressing down the silver button to the bare bottom, which is the second hole, by forcing to the first hole of the space. We slide in. We have room to raise up. Snap into place. Spring down. And in place. If we need to move the pole, we bend, spring down, and lock in. With the poles both facing correctly and the height meant to the high or low of the short pole. And locking into place. With an optional level, straighten and lock down. With the horizontal poles, we have long and short. Simply grab each of the poles, screw on to the length or width you need. One end of the short pole slides on, locks into place with the cap that secures on and locks down correctly. As we hang the pole up on one side, snap into place for additional pole supports as needed. We start to screw down. and firmly screw down the pole and lock down into place. The additional vertical poles and horizontal poles can be joined for the additional height and length needed. In the steps, we have these rings. Simply lift before putting on the end cap and slide the amount of rings needed for your length or width of the pole. We have the curtain. One side is heavy, one side's light. With the white, the bald end solid pin, slide between the shaded white area and place on. Determine the length you need and lock down. With the magnetic pieces, they are pins that open by this little release tab at the very end and comes off and locks into place for any magnetic area. Carefully place a hole, push the pin through, and secure it down with the end and press to the pole and repeat. Once all the hooks and rings are together, we have this magnetic curtain holder. It snaps together so it can hold the curtain. You can divide up the room in a number of ways. Have a small divider area so you can walk through. In our situation, we have here clipped over the curtain on the edge to hold securely in place with the magnetic rings. We're going to simply grab, as you can see, the magnetic rings, hiding what's behind, and just bringing the curtain together, wrapping around, holding into place. You're looking to divide a room up with the curtain number of colors, 4 or 5 different color models, from a minimum height to the maximum height online. We noted at the beginning, up to 100 inches. This curtain may be something for you. Remember, short, the curtain drags on the floor. Tall, the curtain may be seen on top and the bottom. I hope you enjoy your product. If you're looking for privacy from one room to the other, on those days that you need to put a bed, divide a room, or what you see behind, to clean up the mess, and so forth, by simply having a magnet locking into place on each side all the way down to the bottom. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a divider.